Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, adding a default option in switch statements. In a switch statement, you may not be able to specify all possible values as case statements. Instead, you can add the default statement which will be executed if no matching case statements are found. Think of it like final if else statement in an if else chain. A default statement should be the last case. We can see here case 1 is present, case 2 is present, and the statements below that which needs to be executed when that case is true, and break to stop execution. And here in the last portion of the switch we have default, which contains the default statement and a break. It's not needed here, but still it's good to maintain consistency. And let's see the task for this challenge. Write a switch statement to set answer for the following condition. A for apple. So let's write switch. We are checking for while. If case A, then it should and give answer equal to apple. Similar, and we give here break. Similarly, for case B, we will give answer equal to bird, break. Here case C, answer equal to cat, break. And now default when when any case is not true, then the default will be executed, and then answer will be equal to stuff. And just for consistency give break. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.